If you're ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level, you just found the right video. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best charcoal grills to help you become a backyard hero this year. From massive cooking space for big parties to smart tech that takes the guesswork out of smoking, these picks cover every budget and skill level. Let's be real, buying a grill is an investment, and I want you to feel 100% confident before you click that buy button. So whether you're feeding a crowd or just want that perfect smoky flavor at home, stick with me. Here are the best charcoal grills you can get right now. First up is the Captiva Design's extra large charcoal barbecue grill. This thing is an absolute beast when it comes to space, giving you nearly 800 square inches of total cooking area. That includes a huge primary grilling zone plus a warm area to keep food hot while you finish cooking. The 2 separate charcoal trays lift individually so you can control heat on different sides of the grill, perfect for when you're searing steaks on one side and slow cooking veggies on the other. It also comes with 2 foldable side tables that are super sturdy for holding all your tools and sauces. The enamel grates are tough, resist rust, and clean up easily. Now, assembly does take some time, but once it's together, this grill feels rock solid. If you're the person who loves hosting big backyard parties and needs serious capacity, this one is a game changer, worth every penny for the serious entertainer. Check the link below to grab yours. Next, we have the Weber Original Kettle Premium Charcoal Grill. This is the classic for a reason, and honestly, it's the overall best charcoal grill for most people. The 22-inch kettle can hold up to 13 burgers at once, which is plenty for a family dinner or a small get-together. What makes this grill shine is the one-touch cleaning system, which sweeps ash right into a removable catcher, making cleanup almost fun. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl hold heat incredibly well and won't rust or peel over time. You also get a built-in lid thermometer, so you always know your temperature without lifting the lid and losing heat. The hinged cooking grate lets you add more charcoal mid-cook without moving everything around. If you're looking for a durable, top-rated grill that just works every single time, this is for you. It's affordable, reliable, and will last for years. Click the link to see why thousands of people love this grill. Moving on to the Royal Gourmet CC1830W 30-inch charcoal grill with offset smoker. If you love deep, authentic smoky flavor, this is your grill. You get a massive 811 square inches of cooking space split between the main chamber and the offset smoker box. The side firebox lets you burn wood or charcoal separately, sending that beautiful smoke right into your meat. Plus, the charcoal pan is height adjustable, giving you better control over how close your food is to the heat. The wood-painted side and front tables add a nice look and give you plenty of prep space. There's also a mesh bottom shelf that holds up to 20 pounds of accessories. One small note is that the paint on the firebox can discolor over time from high heat, but that doesn't affect performance at all. If you're someone who wants to experiment with low and slow smoking without spending a fortune, this affordable option is perfect. Go check the link for current deals. Now let's talk about the Feasto 30-inch heavy-duty charcoal grill with digital temperature control. This grill brings modern tech to traditional charcoal cooking, and it is seriously cool. You get 2 meat probes and a digital display with preset temperatures for beef, chicken, and pork. That means no more guessing if your brisket is done, just perfect, juicy meat every time. The multi-zone heat control lets you smoke, sear, or slow cook all on the same grill. With 832 square inches of cooking space, you can easily serve up to 40 burgers or a full meal for your whole crew. The heavy-gauge steel frame and reinforced legs make this thing incredibly stable, even when you're working with high heat. A side table and tool hooks keep everything organized. If you love the flavor of charcoal but wish you had the precision of a gas grill, this is for you. It's a game changer for anyone who wants consistent results. Hit the link below to learn more. Last but not least is the HaSteeL Outdoor Charcoal Grill with cover. This is a great budget-friendly option for casual cooks or camping trips. It gives you a solid 420 square inches of cooking space, which works perfectly for 4 to 8 people. The heavy iron steel build handles high heat without warping, and the built-in thermometer lets you monitor your temperature easily. You get an offset smoker box for adding that smoky flavor, plus a front table and 6 S-hooks to hang your tools. The mesh bottom shelf makes ash cleanup simple and mess-free. The wheels roll smoothly, so moving it around your patio or taking it to the beach is no problem. The included cover is a nice bonus to protect it from the weather. Keep in mind that the build isn't as thick as premium models, but for the price, it performs really well. If you want an affordable, durable grill that does a little bit of everything, this is a solid choice. Check the link for the best price. So after looking at all these fantastic options, my top recommendation goes to the Weber Original Kettle Premium. It's the perfect balance of performance, durability, and value. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, that grill will never let you down. Every single grill on this list was carefully selected for quality, so you really can't go wrong. I'll leave links to all of them down in the description so you can check current prices and reviews. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more honest reviews. And let me know in the comments what's the first thing you're gonna grill. Happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next one.